So this is a celebration of the 25th anniversary of the biotechnology program. We are one of the oldest biotechnology major programs in the country. We train our majors with a very strong, broad background in the sciences. So one of the things we're doing today also is that many of our alumni, former students have come back to present to us and tell us about their careers.
I'm here today to participate in the program, to talk a little bit about how the Rutgers Biotech program has influenced my career since I graduated. You're not only getting a background in science, but you're getting a background in being able to take information, evaluate it, learn quickly, ask critical questions, and make decisions without having all of the information. And I think that people don't realize how important that is for a variety of careers, both within science and outside of science.
The biotechnology program was just a terrific experience for me, for training, for preparing me for graduate school and for future jobs. And so I'm really happy to be here to celebrate it and to talk to current students about careers as well. So all of that direct experience that the students get is really directly relevant to whatever they choose to do in the future.
The value in the symposium today offers alumni a lot of networking opportunities for people to convene, share ideas, know more about one another, potential job opportunities and whatnot. I saw a lot of benefit from today's symposium.
And I was really, truly impressed by how they treated the students like they were part of a big family. Dr. Zelinskis in particular was practically the mother of the program. It was nice to get a world-class education and also feel like you were part of a family.
Immediately from the get-go, what you get from Dr. Z is a lot of support and just the embracing of new students. There was this personalized kind of investment from her to see every one of us succeed, and to know that on my end and being on the receiving end of that investment, reflecting back, it makes me so appreciative of that.
I feel fantastic. It's been such a wonderful day. I've seen so many of my former students come back to celebrate this fantastic anniversary of our first graduating class. Biotechnology is sort of an unpredictable field because you never know what the next new discovery is going to be. There were huge discoveries made in the last 2 years that have changed the direction of this field. And I'm sure there are going to be hundreds and hundreds of more. So it's kind of hard to say what's going to happen in the next 25 years. I don't know if I'll live long enough to know that, but I'm surely going to keep my eyes open. So who knows?